Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Greg Mikulowski with a stock quick look at the broader U.S. indices, the NASDAQ index and the S&P index as trading gets underway. We are seeing higher levels in the major indices, but they still are below some key levels. I'm going to talk about them in this video, so let's get started. I'm going to start by looking at the NASDAQ index, and this is the daily chart. And in trading, or in the video yesterday, I talked about this specific area right through here. This area is defined by different swing highs through here, swing high, number of swing highs through here, swing high, swing high, swing high. You can see the ceiling that was formed here. When we came back up to that ceiling right here, we found sellers, and then we gapped above that level and used that level of support. We came on one last test right here before moving to the upside, and that pushed the price to the high price, the all-time high price, as a matter of fact. In trading on Friday of last week, we came down toward that swing area, but found support buyers and rotated back to the upside. We also fell below the 100-day moving average. We kept the battle on between this swing area and the 100-day moving average. In trading yesterday, we gapped lower. Actually, we opened way down here, and the price fell below the 200-day moving average, but held above the 50% retracement of this move to the upside. That gave the buyers the go-ahead to push higher, and you can't see it in this bar, but we did open up down here, down near the lows, and then push all the way to the upside. I outlined in the video yesterday that this area would be key, and indeed it was. The price came right up to that swing area, found sellers against that level and pushed to the downside. Also near that level is a 38.2% retracement of the same move to the upside. That level comes in at 16330.47, and the high price today 16326, just 4 points away from that level. And so the sellers are still more in control here. It would take a move back above the 38.2, back above the swing area right through here, to shift the bias more in favor, at least in the short term, for the buyers. You can argue that there is a battle going on. The battle is between this support down here and this resistance up here. I'm not opposed to that idea. And so the battle, and with the price near the high, maybe the buyers are showing that they want to take this price higher. I don't know. But what we do know is that the price needs to get above the 116 or 16330.47 level, stay above that level, and then give above the swing area right through here in order to prove that it's winning. Okay, absent that, and this may become a selling area for sellers to lean against in the expectations that we're going to eventually go down, break back below the 200-day moving average, below the 50% retracement level, and start a further move to the downside in the NASDAQ index. Let's take a look at the S&P index, and this index stalled near the 100-day moving average on Friday's trade. That gave traders some hope. We closed up here. It was still down on the day, but off the 100-day moving average. Wasn't to be yesterday as the price gapped lower, and like the S&P or the NASDAQ index, we opened near the low. We rebounded back to the upside, getting back above this low price right here, which was somewhat positive, but we held against resistance up here where we had this ceiling in place here. This was then a low support level through here. Admittedly got a little bit wonky right there before bouncing to the upside here. So this level at 5,264.85 is a level that we're going to need to get to and through on the top side to increase the bullish bias in trading going forward. And then we'll look back toward the 100-day moving average in the S&P index. Conversely, a move back below the 5191.68 level would disappoint the buyers. The low price today came in at 5193.56, so it's not disappointing the buyers. In fact, the buyers may be encouraged by the inability to move back below that low level in trading here today. We are currently trading now up 50 points, 0.95%. So the buyers are grabbing onto that support holding and hoping that the price can move higher. So that's my technical look looking at the daily charts for the S&P and the NASDAQ index. Some key levels in play as the battle ensues between the buyers and sellers. My name is Greg Mikulowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.